Hi, welcome to another video from Belly Dance with Tahira series. Today we will be dealing with a very nice movement, and I say that this movement is very nice because it's very characteristic for belly dance. So if you have ever seen a show in a theater during holidays or even on YouTube, you've probably already seen this movement, and this movement is called hip drop. So you can guess which part of the body will be involved, and you can guess what we will be doing with it. So the movement will be in our hip and we will be dropping our hip. This movement is a little bit different from the previous ones because it has different position of the body and it works a little bit differently. So we don't start in facing the mirror or facing the screen. We go to diagonal. So it's not side, it's diagonal. And we have our body weight on one leg. For now, let it be the right leg. And left leg is in the position on your big toe. And what is very important is that the leg where the body weight is slightly bent. Remember about your pelvis, it's a little bit tucked in always. You straighten up your body, long neck, open chest. And now imagine that you have a string attached to your hip. And you pull the string up and then let go. And another time. Up and let go. And one more time. Up and let go, and one more time, up and let go. And what you may notice is that the position of my body is not changing. So I don't go in this kind of bounce. I stay in one place, and it's all because of this right leg, which should be bent. So when I'm taking my hip up, the knee is bending a little bit more, and then when I let go of it, it straightens a little bit, but always stay bent. So the legs are always staying bent, so we can close the movement in our hips, not involving the rest of the body. Let's try this to the other side. The body weight is on the left leg. The right leg is in the position, left leg is bent, the knee is bent, pelvis, chest, neck, and then one more time you have a string attached to your hip and you pull it up and let go, and up and let go, and up and let go, and up and let go. Okay, let's change the side one more time. And now we want to make it one hip drop after another, a little bit faster. And you always direct the accent down. That's why it's called drop, because you drop. So the accent is down. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and drop, 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 drop. Let's try it to the other side. So left leg, knee bent, right leg in the position, pelvis, chest, neck, and we go drop, 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 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, one more time, we change the direction. And now what I want you to add to this is this very, very popular position of arms and hands. You can almost say that is like 100% oriental when it comes to this movement. So we have the position of our body and the hands, the arm right, because the right leg is the bent one, and that's why the right hand is in the back, and it goes up. You have a nice stretch. Don't close here your hand to the ear, your arm to the ear. Have a nice stretch in your hand, and the other one is behind your back, presenting and making a frame for your hip. And you have a nice stretch, so you don't want to die during this movement. So a nice stretch, and we go with the hip drop. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's try to do it to the other side. Left leg, bend left hand up, right down, making frame for your hip. Nice stretch in the body. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and that is the way to do a hip drop. If you like this video, give me a thumb up and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss next videos from Belly Dance with Tahira series. And if you have any doubts, any questions about this movement, feel free to leave a comment down below. I will answer and try to explain more about how to do it in a proper and healthy way. And if you are interested in more advanced content, like for example combinations, history, culture, language, and everything Oriental dance related, feel free to check out my Tahira Belly Dance Diary series here on my YouTube channel. And I invite you also to follow my social media accounts, my Instagram and Facebook account, where I post a lot of things connected with my daily Oriental dance life. And of course, I invite you here next week for the next episode of Belly Dance with Tahira, and we will be dealing with another basic movement in Oriental dance. Thank you very much for your time, and see you next week. Bye!